Ever stop to think about how many people your bank really serves? We see the branches, the ATMs, the online platforms, but behind all that infrastructure, how many individual customers are actually relying on one single financial institution like First Foundation Bank? It's a fascinating question, and the answer might surprise you. We live in a world saturated with options. From streaming services to grocery stores, competition is fierce. The banking sector is no different. In Nigeria alone, there are numerous commercial banks, each vying for your business. So, when we talk about one specific bank, like First Foundation Bank, it's easy to think of it as just one entity among many. But zoom out for a moment. Think about all the individuals, the families, the businesses that have entrusted their financial well-being to this particular institution. Consider a bustling marketplace in Lagos. Several traders might have their accounts with First Foundation Bank, using its services for everything from receiving payments to securing loans. Imagine a growing tech startup in Abuja, relying on the bank for payroll, business accounts, and perhaps even investment opportunities. Think about a student in Ibadan, managing their allowance and savings through a First Foundation Bank mobile app. Each of these individuals, and countless others across Nigeria, contribute to the total number of people who utilize the services of just one bank. Now, putting an exact number on this is tricky. Banks typically don't release precise, real-time figures on their total customer base. These numbers are often dynamic, fluctuating as new customers join and others move on. However, we can look at publicly available information and industry trends to get a sense of the scale. Major commercial banks in Nigeria often boast millions of customers. While First Foundation Bank might not be the largest player in the market, it has established a significant presence and built trust within its customer base. Considering Nigeria's large population and the increasing adoption of formal banking services, it's safe to assume that First Foundation Bank serves a substantial number of people. Think about the ripple effect. Each account isn't just a number. It represents an individual with financial goals, dreams, and needs. The collective impact of a bank serving so many people is immense. It fuels economic activity, supports livelihoods, and facilitates transactions across the nation. From small daily purchases to large investments, the flow of money through a single bank touches countless lives. While we might not have an exact figure, understanding the sheer volume of individuals who rely on one financial institution like First Foundation Bank gives us a greater appreciation for the vital role these institutions play in our society. It highlights the trust placed in them and the responsibility they carry in managing the financial lives of so many. It underscores the interconnectedness of our economy and how a single entity can be central to the financial well-being of a vast number of people. So, the next time you see a First Foundation Bank branch or interact with their services, remember that you are part of a much larger community, a community of individuals, families, and businesses all connected through this one financial institution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.